In the last video, we built our first component and added it to the app. But right now, it's pretty plain. So how do we style our React components without running into messy global CSS? That's where CSS modules come in. They let you write regular CSS, but scoped to a single component. No more class name collisions, no more guessing which style is affecting what. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up and use CSS modules in your project. CSS modules are just regular .css files, but with one big upgrade, every class and ID is scoped locally to the component that imports it. That means you can name your styles whatever you want without worrying about conflicts across your app. Behind the scenes, React turns your class names into unique identifiers like this one, so they never clash. To use a CSS module, your file should be named like component name.module.css, and you import it as a JavaScript object. Let's walk through setting one up step by step and applying styles directly inside our header component. First, create a new folder for header, move here our component, and create header module CSS. Inside that file, write your styles. Now go to header.tsx and import the styles. To use a class, just reference it from the styles object. Notice how we're using styles object in class name. That's how CS modules work. The styles object gives you access to every class defined in the CSS file. The big benefit here is that styles title is completely unique. Even if another component has same class name, they won't interfere with each other. You can now write CSS safely, knowing your styles are locked to just this component. No more weird bugs or unexpected overrides. In the next video, we'll make our components dynamic by using props and state. If you're enjoying this series, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.